Hello students and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we will be taking up the remaining part of present tense. Chapter number 6 in your grammar book, and we have done till page number 53. So today we will be taking up auxiliary verbs. What are auxiliary verbs? Basically these are your helping verbs. Okay. Firstly you have a main verb and then you have a helping verb which helps the main verb, okay, in a sentence. So auxiliary verbs are basically verbs that help other verbs indicate the tense. Okay, so they are the helping verbs. Some examples of auxiliary verbs are be, have, has and do. What do you understand by the be verb? These are basically your state of being verb, like is, am, are, was, were. So these words or these helping verbs are basically used to tell you about the state of being, whether it's a present tense or past tense, present continuous. Okay, so they help in telling the tense of the verbs. Like for example, Kohli is a cricketer. So is as a verb of being. Kohli is equal to cricketer. Okay, here the be verb is. Okay, और is जो है वो क्या कर रहा है, वो कोहली और क्रिकेटर को इक्वलेंट इंडिकेट कर रहा है. कोहली इज इक्वल टू क्रिकेटर. ओके, सो कोहली इज अ क्रिकेटर. कोहली क्रिकेटर है. Okay, second is Kohli is playing now. So is as the auxiliary verb helping the main action verb play, informing the present continuous tense to show the continuity of the action. अब यहाँ पे जो main verb है वो है play, और जो is है वो क्या है, it's acting as a helping verb. Okay, और वो क्या कर रहा है, वो जो present continuous tense है उसकी जो action की continuity है उसको indicate कर रहा है यहाँ पे. ओके, कोहली अभी खेल रहा है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे जो है वो क्या है, वो इज. ओके, एंड इट्स एक्टिंग एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर. जो मेन वर्ब है वो क्या है, खेल. ठीक है, खेल रहा है. सो खेलना क्या हो गया, प्ले क्या हो गया, वो मेन वर्ब हो गया, और है जो है या इज जो है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. ओके, नाउ डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ द बी वर्ब. फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर के साथ आपको पता है वी ऑलवेज यूज एम विद आई. ओके, आई एम. ओके, फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल वी के साथ आर लगता है. सेकेंड पर्सन सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल यू. ठीक है, यू के साथ भी हम आर लगाते हैं, और थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर दे के साथ भी हम आर यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो वी आर, यू आर, दे आर. एंड थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर चाहे वो ही है, शी है, इट है, या कोई नाम दिया हुआ है आपको, तो उसके साथ आप क्या यूज करेंगे, इज. सो रीड दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन. मार्टिन सेज, आर यू गोइंग फॉर आवर एनुअल पिकनिक दिस संडे. सो यू के साथ हमने क्या यूज किया, आर. ओके, आर यू गोइंग. सो टू दिस Amba replies, no, I'm not going this time, though my sister's going. So I am not going. We are expecting my mother's friends on that day. They are coming from New Delhi. I'm helping my mom with the preparations. What about Meenakshi? Is she also going? So आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं I के साथ am, we के साथ are, they के साथ are. Now they've used the contracted forms of the helping verb here. Okay, and Martin says, I think she's planning to go. I'm sorry to hear that you aren't going. You are great fun. We are going to miss you. So notice the different forms of the auxiliary verb be used above. We use I apostrophe m instead of I am, or V apostrophe re for we are. Okay, हम ये कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म्स लास्ट क्लास में, प्रीवियस क्लास में भी पढ़ चुके हैं इन योर 5th स्टैंडर्ड. ओके, सो यू मस्ट बी क्लियर अबाउट द कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म्स ऑफ. ओके, of these verbs, these auxiliary verbs. Now, firstly, in case of interrogative sentences, we do not shorten the auxiliary verb, and secondly, for negative sentences, these forms are shortened differently. Like in this table, contracted forms of the be verb. I am को affirmative में आप I apostrophe am लिखेंगे और negative में I am not. So I apostrophe am not. Okay, we are को affirmative या positive sentence में we are, we apostrophe re, और negative में we aren't. So we aren apostrophe t. Right? Likewise, you have all the other contracted forms which you can learn from here. Remember that sometimes in our speech we also use the full form of these words if we want to emphasize a point while talking. Okay, तो मोस्टली या कभी कभी हम जब एम्फसाइज करना चाहते हैं किसी अपनी बात के ऊपर तो हम इनकी फुल फॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं, हम इनकी कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म्स यूज़ नहीं करते. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, आर यू नॉट स्टडिंग फॉर योर एनुअल एग्जाम्स मनीष? I am studying, madam. Okay, so when you want to emphasize, here Manish wants to emphasize that he is studying for the exams and therefore he uses the full form. Otherwise he could have just used the contracted form here. Okay, so whenever you want to emphasize about your action, so you can use the full form. Have and its present tense forms. The verb have can be used both as a verb of possession as well as an auxiliary verb. अब have को आप एक possession की तरह, एक belonging की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एक verb of possession या verb of belonging की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Like for example, I have a violin, मतलब मेरे पास एक violin है. ठीक है. My parents have taught me how to play the violin. So here auxiliary verb helping the main action verb teach in forming the present perfect tense. अब यहाँ पे have जो है वो एक helping verb की तरह यूज़ कर रहा है जो कि teach का जो है past participle form है यहाँ पे taught. Okay, so ये present perfect tense है कि मेरे parents ने मुझे सिखाया है how to play the violin, कि violin को कैसे play करते हैं या बजाते हैं. Right? So it's here in this sentence have is acting as a auxiliary verb or helping verb. Okay, and in the previous sentence I have a violin, it's acting as a verb of possession या verb of belonging. Now different forms of have, यहाँ पे देखो अब सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंगली आप have या has यूज़ करेंगे. I, we, you, they इनके साथ have लगता है, एंड ही, शी, इट एंड थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. जैसे किसी का नाम अगर आपको दिया है तो उन सब के साथ आप हैज़ लगाएंगे. ओके, ही हैज़, शी हैज़, इट हैज़, अनीता हैज़, अनिल हैज़ एंड सो ऑन. ओके, बाकी आई हैव, वी हैव, यू हैव एंड दे हैव. कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ब हैव, ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड फॉर्म्स आई हैव कैसे लिखते हैं? आई अपॉस्ट्रॉफी वी ई, और इसका जब आप नेगेटिव फॉर्म लिखेंगे तो आई हैवंट, आई एच ए वी ई एन अपॉस्ट्रॉफी टी. बेसिकली नॉट जो होता है ना बेटा, उसमें हम ओ को हटा के अपॉस्ट्रॉफी लगा देते हैं जब भी आप नेगेटिव यूज़ करते हैं. तो हैवंट ऐसे लिखेंगे. ओके, आई हैव नो, आई अपॉस्ट्रॉफी वी ई नो. ओके, आई हैव नो. एंड वी हैव, यू नो, वी हैवंट पता है आपको कैसे लिखते हैं. सो यू कैन जस्ट रेफर टू दिस टेबल. Now there's one practice exercise. Complete the following sentences with the correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. Now let's do this exercise. First sentence is my brother loves to bake. Okay. Second is Reena writes very well. Your argument makes some very good points. That computer does not work. As soon as Vani completes the summary, we can present the project. The English language contains many words. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Hemant enjoys cooking. Now rewrite the following sentences using the simple present tense as directed. Mr. Paul wants to watch a movie this weekend. You have to change it into interrogative. So does Mr. Paul plans to watch, no, does Mr. Paul plan to watch a movie this weekend? Okay. Fatima handles such problems very efficiently. Interrogative. So, does Fatima handle such problems very efficiently? Question mark. We visit our grandparents at least 4 times every month. WH questions. So, why do we visit our grandparents at least 4 times every month? Question mark. You must study for at least 4 hours every day to do well in the exams. WH question. Okay. Why you must study for at least 4 hours every day to do well in the exams? My sister knows how to play the piano. Negative interrogative. Doesn't my sister know how to play the piano? Question mark. Aditi always comes to class on time. Interrogative. Why does Aditi always come to class on time? Question mark. Zara wants to become an engineer. Interrogative. Does Zara want to become an engineer? Question mark. I love to cook Chinese food at home. WH question. Who loves to cook Chinese food at home? Question mark. Homer's Iliad is one of the greatest epics of all time. WH question. So why Homer's Iliad is one of the greatest epics of all time? Question mark. Okay. So now talking about the present continuous tense, we say something is in its continuous tense when it is still continuing. Okay, and present continuous means it is still going on. That action is still going on. Okay, so present continuous tense is used to denote a continuing action at the time of speaking. So as we are speaking, the action is going on. Like for example, children are playing in the garden, Arjun is still working. So the sentences above indicate the continuity of actions, playing and working. ठीक है, वो काम अभी भी हो रहा है, बच्चे गार्डन में खेल रहे हैं, अर्जुन अभी भी काम कर रहा है. सो जब ये बात कही गई है तब ये काम हो रहा है, राइट. अब ये जो टाइमलाइन एक दी हुई है यहाँ पे देखो, पास्ट और प्रेजेंट. सो पास्ट में वो एक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ था और वो एक्शन अभी भी प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है. ठीक है. So the timeline shows an action that started earlier and is still going on. Now talking about the structure, affirmative का structure होगा subject plus auxiliary verb, main verb plus ing plus object. So she is watching television. Negative sentence, she is not watching television. Interrogative कैसे बनाएंगे? Yes or no question. Is she watching television? Question mark. Negative interrogative sentence, is she not watching television? And interrogative sentence, WH question, what is she not watching television? No, why is she not watching television? Okay, or why is she watching television? Or what is she watching? Okay, what is she not watching? Okay, now there's one more practice exercise. Fill in the blanks using the present continuous tense of the verb. It's very easy. We are celebrating my birthday. They are joining us for dinner tonight. My parents are buying me a gift for my birthday. My father is cooking a special dish for us. I am helping my father with the cooking. I am going for the relay match. The eagle is flying very high. I am looking at the nest in the tree through my binoculars. Okay. Now rewrite the following sentences as directed. One has been done for you. Manisha is taking part in the play. Interrogative. Is Manisha taking part in the play? Question mark. We are meeting tonight. Negative में change करना है. We are not meeting tonight. Okay. Will you be inviting Anna as well? इसको आपको affirmative में change करना है. So you will be inviting Anna as well. Full stop. He is coming with his sister. Is he coming with his sister? Question mark. I'm bringing my brother with me. Negative. I'm not bringing my brother with me. Okay. द चिल्ड्रन आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर देयर डांस परफॉर्मेंस, इंटेरोगेटिव में चेंज करना है, आर द चिल्ड्रन प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर देयर डांस परफॉर्मेंस, क्वेश्चन मार्क। द स्टूडेंट्स आर एक्साइटेड अबाउट देयर फील्ड ट्रिप टू पुरी, नेगेटिव में चेंज करना है, द स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट एक्साइटेड अबाउट देयर फील्ड ट्रिप टू पुरी। माई मदर लेफ्ट हर प्रोफेशन टू बिकम अ राइटर, हैज़ माई मदर लेफ्ट हर प्रोफेशन टू बिकम अ राइटर, क्वेश्चन मार्क। Ravi has invited all of his friends for his birthday party next week. Has Ravi invited all of his friends for the birthday party next week? Question mark. Now using the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to refer to a continuing action. अगर कोई काम अभी भी हो रहा है, she is talking to her teacher, I'm writing a letter. और सेकेंडली टू रेफर टू अ डेफिनेट फ्यूचर एक्शन और इवेंट, कोई काम जो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है बट आप उसके लिए श्योर हो कि वो काम पक्का होगा। ही इज़ गोइंग आउट ऑफ टाउन टुमारो, ठीक है, कल वो शहर के बाहर जा रहा है। तो जाएगा तो कल, लेकिन वी आर श्योर कि कल वो जाएगा, तो हम उसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में भी लिख सकते हैं। ओके, so Bijan and Sheila are going for the summer camp in Kathmandu. And thirdly, to refer to a future plan, Aruna is planning to buy a gift for her mother. Our school is hosting the national sports meet next month. Okay. Okay, let's do the rest of the exercise in our next class. Till then, you just complete all these exercises and do them in your grammar notebook and submit your homework by tomorrow 3 o'clock. Thank you for watching this video.